You shake it, baby, all day and all night. If you're getting tired of the wait, let's throw a wrench into the notes and a rhyme, and we'll call it a change of days. In all the changes of the water and wine, I see the metaphor this way. Let's throw a wrench into the space and time for the sake of a change of days. So come on, all you people, ain't it hard for you to know? Celebrate in all the things you say. The part where everything is saved or explodes, and we'll call it a change of days. Say, can you see the shiny place in the sky? Sick of your wandering through the haze. They say we go to a better place when we die, and they call it a change of days. And they call it a change of days.